So in this video, I'll show you how to set your date and time on your Mercedes Sprinter. If you have a Sprinter with the M and the O and the plus and the minus, this will apply to you. First, you turn on the ignition, and that's not the time at the moment. It's currently 7:35, so we have to reset that time. So what you do is you press the M button there. Press it once, twice, 3 times. Keep pressing until the clock flashes, and at this point you can set your time. It's 24 hours, so we'll put it at 7 o'clock using the plus and the minus. So you just saw me, I pressed the O and I've come to the minutes. Now it has to be 36, so if you're not fast enough it does reset back. So press the O and come here and press the plus, so that's 36. Now you press M again to go to your calendar. So it is currently the 30th of Jan, so come here, so it's the 30th. Then we press the O button. The month is correct, so we leave that, but the year is incorrect, so we will just set that. So when that's all set, you can either leave it and it'll reset by itself, or just press the M button again to go back to your main menu. And that's how you set the clock on your Mercedes Sprinter. Thanks for watching. Hope this was of some help to you. Please like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks everyone. Also, if you want the digital readout of your speed, all you do is hold the M button. So for example, if your display is showing the temperature, the external temperature, and you want to see the kilometers, so the speed that you're doing, hold the M button with the ignition on, and it changes over. And if you want to see the temperature, similarly just hold the M button and it changes there.